there was a fire at the residence of Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma, and this fire led to the recovery of a massive pile of cash, which has triggered shockwaves within judicial circles.
In fact, the developments soon reached CJI Sanjeev Khanna as well, who then convened an immediate and urgent collegium meeting to discuss the issue as well. In fact, the collegium unanimously decided on Justice Varma's transfer, moving him back to his parent High Court in Allahabad, where he had previously served before being appointed to the Delhi High Court in October 2021.
So I think that it's time for the Supreme Court to start looking at issues of how the appointment process should take place. That it should be more transparent, appointment should be more carefully done.
जब लोगों को लगता है कि पार्टियां, सरकारें उन्हें न्याय नहीं दे सकती, तो भगवान की तरह से हमारे जजेस को माना जाता है। ऐसी घटना होना बहुत दुखद है।
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूँ, अगर अनअकाउंटेड कैश मिला है तो ट्रांसफर पनिशमेंट नहीं है ना, संदेश तो अच्छा नहीं जाता है ना। इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में कैश कहाँ से आया? अब तो उनके सारे जजमेंट देखने होंगे अगर उस कैश के पीछे सच्चाई है। कहीं जजमेंट से तो उसका ताल्लुक नहीं है।
This morning we have read about a shocking case of huge amounts of cash unearthed at the residence of a judge of the Delhi High Court. Earlier, 50 members of parliament have submitted a notice to you regarding certain remarks that were made by a judge of the Allahabad High Court. You yourself have repeatedly called into question the urgency for judicial accountability. You have in fact directed the leader of the house on this issue. So I request that you please make some observations on this and give necessary directions to the government to come up with a proposal for increasing judicial accountability.
So after receiving a complaint, the Chief Justice of India could ask the judge's response, asking the judge for details of the money that has been found at his residence, if it is unaccounted cash, whether he has any explanation for it. And if the response is not satisfactory, then what happens? The Chief Justice can set up an in-house inquiry committee that will look into the details of the case. And if the misconduct is serious after the inquiry is conducted, the Chief Justice can ask the judge to submit his resignation for him to resign. And then the next step, if the judge refuses to resign, then what does the law say? The Chief Justice can then write to the government to initiate the removal process.